So we are in Tar Hollow State Park. We just picked up a vintage trailer. It's a 1980 Palomino pop-up camper. And I was asking my wife, can I call it vintage since it's the same year she was born? This is a really unexpected place. The camp store here we register is really neat. This pine cabin here. They even got like firewood over here. There's a game room, there's bikes, nature center, and a really awesome little miniature golf right here. Alright, we're gonna go find our camp spot and we're gonna try to figure out how to set this thing up. We had a little bit of a disaster. We didn't know the priority of getting this thing up. We were trying to get it in the cooler. We said, oh, it's got this little ice box. We'll put a couple drinks in there.
I thought we'll just let one end up. No problem.
Yeah, we just popped the light off. But you guys get to see us try to put this thing up. The springs are broken on it. And we decided to go with this trailer. We were living in a larger one, and it was a 30-foot trailer, and it became too small to live in, but it was also too large just to go on little weekend short trips. So we decided, hey, we'll buy something else off of the Facebook Marketplace. The guy was originally selling it for $500, and he sold it to us for $400. That was really funny just to pick it up and move it around. Couldn't imagine picking up our 6,000-pound trailer.
No.
Alright, so now the real fun begins. Us trying to figure out. We did learn you have to do the front of this thing first. There's these like hooks here that it goes in to lift it up. They're supposed to be spring-loaded, these arms that are on the side. There's a spring somewhere in here, and this holds there, but no one fixed it. Yeah, this light right here is what we broke. It popped off. And that's how the other one on the other side got broken as well, I guess, because somebody didn't know the order of things.
Yes.
So that went a little better. We still haven't got it quite figured out. We don't know if we need to just keep it clipped in the front. I'm concerned it'll get stuck, but this is pretty simple to set up once you figure out the trick. That's good.
I guess I'll at least pull this one part way out.
You can just pull it all the way out, right? I think I got too high in the front, didn't I?
I don't think so.
No? So there's a few ugly pieces here and there, but it's not too bad. I think this is what holds. It's like, come on, I'm gonna get going.
Does the ceiling not raise up higher?
No, you have to twist the whole building. That's what you have to do.
Oh.
You're twisting the whole building. We had a problem with the door. It's a little bit rotten up here at the top, and we're not quite sure how that door goes on there. The frame of it's just kind of like wobbly all around. Something's falling off over here. But that's what we signed up for. So we can see it's already got a little booby boo here. And then up here, some of the worst parts of it. But fortunately, a lot of this can be so easily fixed. We just have some blow-up mattresses. We're about 2.5 hours from our house, so we thought we'd come up here and do a little hiking. We'll take you guys along. We're gonna try to go to Chapel Cave and then Airplane Rock and Bear Rock. Boy, I'm gonna really need a shower though. Whew, man, that was a lot of work. So I think we might have to change our name of our channel to Lost and Confused. It seems to happen a lot around here. We're looking for Chapel Cave. I think it's also called 21 Horse Cave. I think the story goes that they fit 21 horses in it. But this trail is really destroyed. We're in Hocking Hills area, which is a really popular hiking area. This place here is a little less busy. It's really icky. So this is from all the horses. So the cave over there, the beautiful colors, we'll call that 5.5 horse cave. This one over here is the 21 horse cave. So you can follow the white or the orange. The orange went by the other little cave. Then we just cut over. And there is a seasonal waterfall over there as well. So me and my wife are discussing about what we want to see next. We have a little bit of more daylight. And I don't know if any of you all are interested in seeing more stuff. There's a lot of fun things to see here. We tend to like a smorgasbord of hiking. This one here was a little disappointing with the trail being in such disarray. I think it's nice to have the multi-use trails, but the horses have done a lot of damage. We decided to do a little more relaxing hike instead of climb up to Airplane Rock, which we weren't sure that it was there anyways. It might have flown away, so we decided to come to Conkle's Preserve. Much more relaxing little half-mile walk into Gorge. There's also the rim trail that you can do as well, but we're starting to lose some daylight here pretty fast. Sorry, my sandals are making like a weird noise. I don't know if that picked up or not. But we are going to head back, get something to eat, and then we'll meet up with you guys in the morning to tell you how things went, if it went bad or good. But we're going to finish up here, and probably not going to be much water at this other waterfall, I don't know how you say it, whatever. Oh, it's getting late in the evening, it's starting to get weird.
I'm gonna go see a cliff if there's no water.
Yeah. Not the most peaceful of campgrounds, but we kind of knew that on a holiday weekend it's going to be a little noisy, and we thought it would be a great place to try out the pop-up camper, and I think it's going to be a great option for us. It's a lot more comfortable to sleep in. There's going to need some adjustments to it, but I think it's nice that we can do as much or as little as we would want to do with the trailer and be able to just use it. So I think that is going to be it. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure of ours to pick up our vintage pop-up camper. It's so hard to get up.